Today we're going to be putting together our very first Birdies Raised Garden Bed. The reason we've gone with the Birdies is because it's come highly recommended that they just really are long lasting. So some people have said that they last up to like 20 years rust free because they're galvanized. So that's the reason we've gone with one of these guys. They also claim to go into different shapes. Is to use inspiration from Hügelkultur. So basically all that really is putting in a bunch of dead logs at the bottom or any sort of sticks and garden material. Then you put a layer of any sort of plant waste material, so grass clippings, leaves, kitchen scraps, some compost, and then some topsoil. So we're not doing it 100% to that method, only because we don't have all of those things on hand. But we are going to just kind of use what we already have. So we're going to get started filling the bed, and then possibly not plant today just because we're losing daylight, but look at planting maybe tomorrow. Cardboard down just to help prevent weeds from coming up. Our grasses are weed prone. So while Sven gets the rest of the sticks, the main idea with putting the sort of dead sticks and plant material and waste is that this stuff will decompose over time, and all those nutrients will feed straight back into the soil. So we've been saving all our grass clippings for this exact reason. We've let it dry out, and some of it has already started to break down just a touch. So it should be really good food for the soil.
Let's just tip this in. Can you grab the front at the bottom? Or better at the bottom? We can do one more.
Well, let's see. Probably gonna need one more, at least.
Do the same thing.
I think that was a good idea. Yep. I'll put these out. Can you just get some of those leaves, please?
Yep.
This was a bit out.
Oh, you okay?
Yep. Alright. Oh, I don't want weeds. That was a weed. I think we are ready for compost and soil. Right, so we're back at the test garden bed. It's the weekend and we've managed to get some more soil and a couple of extra little veggies and things. So I'm going to get to topping up this bed and then hopefully we get to planting today. Okay, so behind me are all the little veggies that we're going to put into this particular bed. As we said, this is very much just going to be a test bed to see how well they do in our sort of inspired Hugelkultur raised bed and as well as our climate. So I'll just quickly show you what we have got. We've got some garlic chives, baby carrot. Oh, this one's lost its tag, but it is some type of tomato. I think these were this sort of cherry type. Spring onion, red onion, capsicum, a purple carrot, lettuce, cucumber, and then we've just got some marigolds just to attract a few bees. Oh goodness, I just got a huge fright. We have a lot of frogs on the property. Oh my gosh. We've got a we've got candy cane capsicum and another sweet capsicum. So let's get planted.